How much do I make mining crypto after the merge? As you may know, 2 weeks ago I made a video about how much I was making before the merge, before Ethereum went to proof of stake, and well, the results were pretty good, but the question was what was going to be the profitability after the merge. In this video we are just right after the merge. It's been like 5 days. Now profitability is more stable, that's why I waited to make this video, and I'm going to tell you how much am I making now. What is the profitability mining right now? But before we start, as I always say in these videos, if you like the video, you can always like it for the YouTube algorithm. You can always subscribe if you want more videos like this, and you can always leave a comment if you have any questions, okay? You can also, write us in Instagram. You have the link down below in the description. And lastly, but not less important, if you're looking to buy ASIC miners for cryptocurrency miner, BTC, Cadena, Litecoin, whatever you want, you have the link in the description to our shop. We do shipping worldwide. And with all that said, let's go! Okay, so here we are, and first we're going to see profitability. We're gonna straight up go into the meat. How much am I making mining right now? Well, if we go to what to mine, we are gonna put as example the 360 Ti, which is the cards that I have. And with one 360 Ti, given the price that I have, which is 0.04, which is super low, by the way, we are making the incredible amount of 36 cents before electricity in zero, or 18 cents after electricity. Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, I'm dying. I just cannot say these numbers without dying. Yes, it's almost nothing, okay? You can see 32 cents in Conceal, Vertcoin 27 cents, Flux 27 cents. Flux is not changing too much, that's cool. Neox at 27 cents. Conflux 24 cents, Ravencoin 23 cents, Ethereum coin 16 cents, Ethereum pow 13 cents, Ergo 11 cents, nothing, okay, almost nothing. Even now, look, like mining Ergo, even with the amount of electricity that I pay, which is literally nothing, I would be losing money. It's kind of crazy, not gonna lie, it's kind of crazy, okay? So yes, profitability is down a lot. Me personally, I'll explain you what I'm mining and why I'm mining and how much I'm earning, but the most important thing is for profitability, we need to check prices and we need to check difficulty. So that's what we're gonna do now. First, prices. Ethereum pow, it went down a lot, okay? This is the fork of Ethereum that you can mine, and obviously it went down a lot because there's a lot of sell pressure. You can see in the volume here, it went up a lot. It was from like 1 million to 150 million. Why? Because everybody can receive their fork of Ethereum, and when they receive the fork of Ethereum, most of the people are gonna sell it, okay? It's normal, they're gonna sell it. After that, we have to check Ethereum Classic is stable, okay? Zero Protocol went up 10%. That's why you saw that is the one that gives the most money right now, but nothing very spectacular. Flux is down 5%, Conflux 1%, Ravencoin 1%, Caspa went up 16%. Is one of the more profitable right now. I'll talk about it later. And Ergo is 3.61. It went down 13%, so that's why also profitability went down so much. So as I said, Ergo very, very down. And now we're gonna check difficulties, because difficulties is what determine how much you're earning. The more people mining the same coin, it has to divide between more people. The less you get, the less piece of the cake, the less money. It's that simple, okay? So Ethereum Classic went up to 3.41 piece when it started mining. It's crazy, okay? When the merge disappeared, everyone moved to Ethereum Classic, but now it went down, and now it's around 2.74. It's more stable now. It's been stable for a day almost, or 2 days, so that's why we are making the video today. But the iPolos, for example, that were used to mine Ethereum, look, with my electricity rate, which is nothing, I'm making like $100 a year. This thing costs $2,000. I think these things are gonna go for like $200 now maximum, because they make nothing. They literally make nothing. And if you change your electricity rate to anything comparable in the US, let's make 10 cents even, you will be losing money. 10 cents, well, 10 cents, you're not losing money yet, okay? You're making 17 cents. On a year, you're making $61. Crazy, amazing, incredible. I don't know what to say. 15 cents, I think you're losing money already. Yeah, 15 cents, you're losing money already. It's crazy, bro. It's just crazy. Yeah, we went down from $6 to minus 15 cents. I wouldn't buy this right now, to be completely honest. Maybe in my case, in my place where I live, yes, depending on the price they put. But just with shipping, it's gonna cost more, you know, like, I think it's not a good idea, to be completely honest, right now. But anyways, about Ravencoin, profitability is stable. Flux, profitability, I mean difficulty is also stable, and profitability is also stable. And Ergo got stable on 21p, which is crazy. I remember when it was in 6, people were saying like, oh my god, maybe we survive. Then it went to 16p. We already died, and then it went to 21p. Now we are dying, okay? Zero, as I said, it went up a lot in the beginning. Now it's stable, but it will go up because it's the more profitable. And Ethereum pow, it's going down the hash rate, because obviously it's not very profitable, so it's not like they are going crazy about mining it. But yeah, it's kind of stable, okay? So what am I mining personally? Personally, I am mining Ethereum proof of work. Okay, why? Because I make the tutorial. You saw it in the channel. If you don't saw it, you have it here. And I left it there. I forgot, and I said, okay, let's mine until we get at least 0.1. We can retire, get our balance, and then we'll do other things. And as you can see, I have 0.06. I'm almost there. When I get halfway, I'll mine there. But right now, I'm making 24 cents with 2 graphic cards, which is 11 cents a day. I know it's not the most profitable. It's not a good idea. Anything will make me more, but I wanted to be able to take the money out. But because of this problem can happen, with a lot of coins, that's why I recommend you to mine with NiceHash. That's what I'm gonna be doing. After I finish this, I'm changing to NiceHash right away, because with NiceHash you can be mining always the most profitable coin, and you can be changing between coins. So right now, for example, NiceHash Tel hash is 0.30, while Flux is 0.27. That's exactly why I would be mining on NiceHash right now with Flux, and everyday change to the better algorithm, the one who's making the most money. Even ethpow, well, ethpow is pretty terrible. Octopus, Beam, whatever you want. I would be just changing between all of them, okay? Hopefully they will put all these coins algorithm. And the also very interesting coin is Caspa, okay? If you go to the 360 Ti in hashrate.no, where you can see the overclocks and all these things, and you can see that one of the most profitable coins they say is Neoxa. I don't agree. Neoxa is not profitable at all right now. If you go here, you can see that Neoxa is, 27 cents. They are saying, how much they're saying? They're saying 34, 38. I don't know where they got their accounts. Maybe it's more actualized, maybe, I don't know. Sorry, the phone decided to speak. The most profitable right now is Ethereum POW plus Alephium, I would say, around 34 cents. And Caspa is making 30 cents. It's pretty good. So, is this the end of the world? Kind of. I mean, to be completely honest, it's not that bad if you pay electricity like me, 0.04. If you have solar panels, it's profitable. They pay you more than what they are gonna pay you in the network if you just give your electricity back with solar panels. They're paying you like, I think, 14 cents per kilowatt. I'm gonna make an Excel that I'll upload on October, and I'll explain my position on this, why I think for me it's interesting, and I'm actually looking to buy cards, because I think returns on investments are pretty good right now, because it's stable. Okay, that's the main point. Right now, we are in the point where profitability is going to be stable, so difficulty is going to be stable. Remember, normal Ethereum, during the last bear market, the difficulty was super stable. Why? Because it was not profitable. So now we don't have all these people who come thinking that it's going to be profitable, and difficulty goes up. No, now it's going to be literally stable because it's not profitable. If you mine, you mine. If you don't mine, you don't mine. And that's all, So that's what I think is going to happen. I think profitability is going to be between 30 cents, 50 and 70 cents. That's my personal opinion. We'll see. It's not a financial advice for sure. And I'm good with any of the three. So that's why I personally am going to buy more graphic cards. I'm going to continue mining. For me, makes sense. I pay very few electricity. It's not what everyone is paying. Okay, so yeah, and be careful, because even 1 cent change can change everything. Okay, you can see if I change from 0.04 to 0.05, we changed a lot of cents in there. Seems like nothing, but there's a big change. Okay, and everything is now unprofitable. So be very careful with how much you're paying for electricity. Have it in mind. And as I said, if you don't pay electricity, you're getting 36 cents per day. It's nice. We are making around $0.14 per kilowatt, which is all right. In the rest of the cases, is not interested, in my opinion. I wouldn't be mining if I would be on 0.10. At least I would wait. And I think more people is going to pull the plug and it's going to stop mining. So that's basically my view. That's what I think is going on. That's what I think is going to happen. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment below. And I'll see you on the next video, and hopefully on the next profitability talk after 3 months. Let's see where we are there. See you in the next video. Bye.